It's lab day. We've got this, the new Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G. Redmi's latest flagship, which comes with some features that focus on durability. And we're putting it to the test. Hey guys, I'm Jeevan, this is TechAnt, and this is our resilience test of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G. Xiaomi says that the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G's Titan durability provides years of durability. This comes as a result of the fiberglass back, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 up front, and the Redmi Titan structure. Basically, on the inside, Xiaomi has reinforced the motherboard and other components to prevent damage from falls. But dropping the phone on surfaces is so passé. Let's try something a little different. We're going to do a reverse drop test. We'll be dropping a series of surfaces on the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G. We'll start easy with a melamine tile, then use a piece of wood, and then progressively get harder with ceramic and even granite tiles. So to make things a little bit more realistic, we decided to use a more common floor, cement floor, and we'll start off with a melamine tile. So you can see, very light. I think that was a bit too light. Let's give it a little more heft. All good. Acrylic, slightly heavier. Still okay. The screen protector did break a little, but the screen itself, no blemishes. A little bit of a scratch on the screen protector. Let's try a wood block. Still okay. No breaks. Screen protector has come off. Ceramic tile. Can you tell I'm nervous? Whoa, I'm so nervous. Screen still intact. A little scuffed. This is supposedly a granite tile. There is massive damage to the screen protector, but screen still works. Camera still works. All good. Now, since we know the Titan reinforcement works on drop tests, let's head back to the lab and test it out with bending. Oh, I forgot one more test. Still working. So for this bend test, we've got a simple setup. We're holding down the phone with two clamps, and we're also weighing down the phone at the middle where people say there is a weak point. But we are also limiting ourselves to about 10 kgs because we're not here to break the phone. We're just testing how much the Titan reinforcement can actually handle. So let's get into it. Let's start off with this. About 1 liter of oil, which it translates to about a kg. Seems to be handling it quite well. Let's level up with 1.5 liters of Sprite, which is about 1.5 kgs. One kg of sugar. Another kg of sugar. So right now we have about 4.5 kilos of weight on the phone. It's doing pretty well, so let's up the ante. Let's do things a little bit more scientifically. We're going to be using these weights. This is half a kg of weight. Let's start off with this. We already know that it can handle 1 kilo, so let's take it up to 1 kilo. This is 1.25 kilograms. That is 2.25 kilograms. Another 1.25 kilograms. We have a total of 5 kilograms so far. 2.5 kilograms. This is nerve-wracking. And finally, another 2.5 kilograms. Done. It looks like it's actually flexing, but we still have 1 kg to put in to meet that 10 kgs. That is a total of 10 kgs. It's actually able to withstand about 10 kgs. There is flex, that I can tell you. But I'm impressed. It can actually withstand it. Let's see if the screen survived in one piece. It survived, but it reset. Most probably reset because of the power button. It was being pressed down by the items, but still working. Just fine. No permanent bend. So it looks like the screen took a little bit of a beating, but let's see if it's just a screen protector. Wow, blemish free. It's not even a scratch. Not bad. The other thing that the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G has is IP69K rating. This rating covers ingress from particles and even high temperature water. So if your phone doesn't have ingress protection, small particles like sand and even lint can get into the phone. I know, right? So dangerous. Actually, even if it doesn't immediately short circuit your phone, the dust particles can affect cooling and eventually destroy your phone from the inside out. As you can see, there is a few scuffs here and there, but otherwise, it's still pretty good. Of course, water resistance is pretty much standard now. Yes, I'm washing off the phone in clear water. Still works. But with the case standard, it can handle stuff that's a little hotter. Yep, it smells hotter already. Ow. See? Still works. All good. All good, all good, all good, all good. The Redmi Titan structure.
Look, everything's okay. Don't worry. You're alright.
Still works.
Look, you don't have any scratches or scuffs, right? See, you're all safe here. Just safe.
Blemish free.
Relax and just be safe.
It's a good thing to have, especially with everyday mishaps. Aside from all the durability stuff, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G comes with a more capable 200 megapixel camera setup. This year, the camera gets a little simpler with a dual camera setup, and the setup is consisting of a 200 megapixel sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor. It still provides enough robustness for you to get shots like this, thanks to 4th generation ultra clarity technology. You get the versatility of 5 focal lengths and up to 4 times optical zoom, and the clarity from 16:1 pixel binning. This phone here isn't holding back any punches. It comes with the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 512 gigs of storage. It also has a 6.83-inch Crystal Res AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution. That's Full HD. This also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front, and all of this is running on a large 6500 mAh battery, which supports 100-watt HyperCharge. It's even got your back if you're low on battery with 22.5-watt reverse charging, allowing you to top up charge on your devices if you ever need to. You've even got Xiaomi's offline communication, which allows you to communicate with friends even without a 5G connection. Xiaomi's even guaranteeing 4 years of OS updates and 6 years of security patches to keep you going on the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G. Something we've not seen much in mid-range devices. If that's not enough, Xiaomi is throwing in 4 years warranty on the battery and a 2-year warranty on the screen. Of course, the phone comes with Xiaomi's AI features, including AI writing, AI search, AI speech recognition, and more. But seriously, this is Xiaomi's most durable mid-range flagship to date. I mean, remember this? So we found that it's not only got the specs, but it's pretty much lived up to its claim of being made tough with long-term durability. It's the best of both worlds. You get a bit of performance and it's also pretty durable. So there you have it, our durability test of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G and some of its key features. I'm Jeevan. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more from TechEnt, and I'll see you in the next one.